system copy. In the homogeneous, we have the methods like using the backup restore method or SWPM exports and SWPM import methods. So we were using, right? XWPM export and SWPM import. So we tried with the backup restore method. We have taken the full DB backup. Then, so we have taken the full DB backup method, and we have, so we using the, so SWPM, we used that option. The second option is, which we tried yesterday, that is called the what is that option? So we tried, that is called the, so SWPM export and SWPM import option. So we have that exports is taken here. That export is available in the SWPM will export it, that we will import it again here, right? That we will import it again here. So let's start the SWPM here. Okay, same SWPM we are starting here. Let's go to the, where is SWPM. Let's clean up the some files here. Okay, so I'm going to the system copy method, SAP softwares. This is the backup file which we used yesterday, right? So using the backup file, so we have created the instance using SWPM. So let's start SWPM. I'm starting here. So meanwhile, let me check the other server. Oh, other server is not active. That's why. So system copy method. So let's wait for other servers to come up. So, and also meanwhile, you can see SWPM is up here. So that's I was giving the right. So I given the user ID and password, right? Here, what we have done it, what we are doing. So that first file we finalize it our scope here. So we have homogeneous. In the homogeneous perform, we have the system copy methods, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous, we have the two ways we can perform. Homogeneous means both source and the target OS should be same, right? At the OS, DB, SAP, all should be same. Only you are changing the place, one place to another place you are changing, right? You are creating the new system, either the on-premises to cloud or cloud to on-premises, whatever it may be, right? It is the homogeneous. So both should be same. Heterogeneous means it's migration. Either database you are changing or OS you are changing, that is the heterogeneous migration. So that heterogeneous migration we are not going to discuss, just I've given the idea. Homogeneous also, we have the two types. One is the, you can take the backup of your source system and restore it on the restore it using the SWPM, you can restore it, right? And the one more option is called the, we have in the two, that is called the, so SWPM export and SWPM import option. You are not taking the manual backup. With SWPM you are exporting, with SWPM you are importing this option, right? Yesterday we have tried this option in the SQL console, SQL Studio, we have taken this option. Okay, we can rule out this option. Now, in the homogeneous SWPM export and SWPM import we are doing here, right? So that is what we are doing here. You can see here. So you can select the NetWeaver 7.5. So SQL Server, then so system installation, the target system copy, right? So yesterday source system you performed the export. Now you are in the target system. In the target system, you need to copy this one. Maybe I can just go to the here. I can get the SQL backups here. So this is the exports. Yesterday it's generated, right? So just I'm copying this exports. The softwares, what I can do. So here export SWPM export, right? Just I create in the one folder. I'm loading to the here. So it is loading here. While doing it, I'm just selecting the target system. Yesterday we selected the source system because to export it. Now target system to import it, standard system. So based upon the, so ABAP, right? standard system. So now using that SWPM export, I'm building I'm creating the new system here. Okay, using that one. So I'm creating the new system here. Let's see. This is our, here they are using the PRD system, this batch students. So we have the two hosts, SAP Windows, SAP Windows 1. In Windows, we use the export. Windows 1, we are doing the import method in system copy only. This is the last method in the system copy. All right. So it is doing here as WPM is. Got it right regarding the way which we are doing. Any questions from anyone? Yeah. Any confusion? Maybe who don't know about the SAP, just you can ignore it. So who already taken the class of the SAP, just you can ask me doubts if anything. Okay, just typical I'm selecting here. Typical. Same installations how we proceeded, same way we are doing here.
Can we perform by some copy system?
Migrations, we can perform it by some DMO option. We can perform the migrations and conversion. But system copy method is only possible from SWPM only. System copy method. Nothing is the system copy. Just this is the source. This is the target. This target is in your cloud or somewhere here, right? This is our on-premises. Nowadays, all are moving from cloud to on-premises to cloud, right? So
Yes,
here in
yes.
this case, we can just with SWPM, you can export it. You will get all the data, whatever the data is there in the source, you will get the export. Or take the backup, you will get it out. Both are same. You will get the thing, right? Then you can move this backup files to the target location, cloud location. You can move to the cloud location. From here in the file system level, start the SWPM, how we started in the target side, right? 339.
Yeah.
Start it, maybe QAS, then start it. Any code. Okay, just start it. Then you can, whatever the export you have taken, right? You can build the new system either with the same SAD or different SAD or whatever it may be, you can build it. You will get the same data, right? You will get the same data. Or what we can do, we can take the backup, we can restore it here. That is also one possible. If you take the database backup, HANA-DB backup, then you can restore it on the, before restoring, you need to build the system. Plain vanilla systems, you have to build it, you need to restore it here. Then you will get the same data. Otherwise, you can just take the SWPM export and SWPM import. With single shot, system will be built. Same data will be shown,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah. That is your wish, like how you want to proceed. SAP is providing the options to the customer. That is your way. You can use the SWPM or some tool, you can use it. The password.
Thank you.
Actually, it's a high level topic, but just you will get some idea, right? What is mean by system copy, system refresh, so backup
Yes, yes, yes.
method.
So for an interview purpose, they're asking like any
Maybe
idea on
interview,
that.
yeah. Do you have any exposure or do you have any idea on that one? You can tell like, yeah, we can take the backup, we can import. Otherwise, we can take the SWPM export import. So maybe you can run,
Yes.
you can run the SWPM export, you will get the export files, right? Same as like SWPM import, you will get the files. Same like data will be exported. Again, we are importing the data. Same how the client we exported and again we are importing it same way.
Just we are saying some activities we perform, like exporting the data,
Yes, yes, yes.
like taking the backup from the HANA Studio, like that.
Yes, yes, right. Yeah. See here, standard system copy, migration based, load based. Yesterday we selected this one, right? So backup and restore method we selected. Now we will select the system copy. So just system copy we select it. So standard system copy. So migrations also we can use the SWPM also sometimes. Source system is SQL Server. We want to move everything, the data, whatever the data is there in the source, I want to move to the HANA or SQL Server. We can use the source database also. We can use the database, that option also we can use it. But this is the some lengthy procedure actually. We have to take the exports. We know, right, what is the issues we may get while doing the export. The source system we need to export, it may take longer duration, some performance issues. Some customers they won't give the environment to give, suppose egg, they won't give you the chance to do all these things their environment. Then they will provide the backup, we have to run it. Then that option is available here. Kernel. Let the kernel proceed. Same as installations only, all these things, everything. Only we will do the plain installation, data we will not get. If you do the system copy method, you will get the data. Simple. After the installation also, we can restore the we can take the backup and we can restore it. That is the two-way procedure, right? You need to install it, then after that you need to restore it. But now you do in single step that in this build plus your data, single step you will get, right? You don't need to do the double work. This is our source. This is our target. Just we have taken the exports. That exports files we move to the year wholesale level. This is our system. Here we are doing the SWPM import option by creating this exports by using this one. Yesterday, backup restore method we used it, right? SW. So here backup restore method we used it. Backup, taken the backup and the restore method. Now we are using the SWPM export import option we are using. These are the lengthy procedures. All these things are 1 week, 10 days it will run. If the size is huge, even small size also we are taking this much time. If it is in the real environment, here the data size is very huge, you may get lot of time, right? So I think all are available here, right? Just click on the next button. Same, all are installation steps only. We will get in the installations, right? All are installation steps only. Host event update is not required, but because installation plus import both will run now. So at a time, but we can split this out. See here, it is asking the migration export. Please provide the migration export, MIG exports. So we already have the migration export, right? That we did the migration exports. Go to the system. So SAP softwares, then SWPM exports, migration exports. Then you can select this one. Just click on the button. Then that will read that one. Yes. So it read it. So do you want to create the 4 files? Yes. Database layout, in the database layout. Whatever the data we exported right here from the source system, all the data, users, whatever the data is there, everything will be imported here. Load tools, all will be imported. So how many number of parallel jobs you want to do? So 3 or 4 or 5, how many? Suppose like 5. So advanced configuration, you want to parallel export and import method. So load order, define the special package load order, advanced load configurations. You want to do anything you want to do. Suppose why? Because source export is running, right? The target, until then you cannot do the any import option. So if you use this option, parallel export will happen. Same way you can do the import also instead of waiting. But here we already done the export, right? Just here using the import option. So instance numbers it is asking. Maybe I can give like 10, 11 already given. So 20, 21. No SLD. SLD is not required. Same installation steps only. Yeah, we are getting. So next, the only thing is exports may change here. Like same we have the NetWeaver exports, right? In that our source system SWPM export will come. Then we are importing the SWPM import will come. That's it. Okay. So 000 password in the source system. Why? Because source export password we have to give it here. What is the password? We provide the wrong password, again it will stuck in the middle. That is why it's especially it is asking the 000 source system password it is asking, which is there in the dump. While doing the export, you have the password set in the SW in the source system, right? That is the one. Summary. Okay, we got the summary now. You can see here. So what I said, you said QAS quality. Passwords same. Cut here. Instead of that one, instead of yesterday we used the backup restore method. But here we are using the system copy, standard system copy method we are using. So which means it's required the export path. That path we set it out. Then the path we have given, migration export we have given, right? Then just click on the next button. Then it will install the new system here with a copy of the existing system. In the same in the QAS also, in the same in the QAS system also, you will get the whatever there in the source system. In the source we have, so same in NWD, how many users are there, everything you will get from here. Everything you will get from here. Right? In the NWD, in the source, whatever the users are there, whatever the data is there, whatever the configuration is there, all you will get from here. Here it is running now. Yeah, this is the way you can perform the system copy methods. Okay, so this will continue now. So this is a small installer. When it comes to the here import above steps, and these steps may take very little bit longer time. So because this is the main step, right? Now we have provided any export, just only SWPM export we provided. Now we are doing the system copy. We are doing not one. Now it is getting installed. Same way the source, how we have the data, same way it will export it. Right? So this is the way. So any questions? I think with this, so we have completed. Any questions on this topic, system copy topic? Anyone? Now source system is running. Target system, new system is building with the copy of the source system. If you do the refresh, again you need to do the post refresh activities, right? So post refresh activities you need to perform. Someone install the new app server here. No. That's why I removed all the softwares from here. Okay. So any questions from anyone here regarding this topic, system copy topic? So